Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English. Hope you will like this channel. Kindly like and subscribe. Today I'm going to tell you the summary of the Unit 7, The Secret of Success, which belongs to a new English book of St. Textbook Board. Once there lived a king who was in search of the secret of success. After deep consideration, he came to know that if he got the answers of three questions, he would discover the secret of success. Those three questions were: what is the most important time to start some work? What is the most important work to do? Who is the most important person? A reward of 5,000 gold coins was announced for the correct answers. Many learned men tried but could not convince the king. The king was very disappointed at this situation. He finally decided to meet a saint who was not interested in meeting rich people. So the king disguised himself as a poor man and went to meet him. When the king reached the saint, he saw him digging the ground. Feeling tiredness of the saint, he offered him to dig, and the saint accepted it. The king politely asked his three questions to the saint, but he remained silent. Instead, he pointed out a bearded man who was wounded and running towards him with a dagger in his hand. The king ran towards him and brought the wounded man into the hut and treated his wounds. When the king decided to return back at dusk, the saint told him to spend the night in his hut. In the next morning, the king came to know about the plans of the bearded man who wanted to kill him because the king has killed his brother. The king's servants recognized him and wounded him, however. He was too thankful to the king for his kind care, saluted him, and promised to be his faithful servant forever. The king again repeated the three questions, and the saint then replied that they had already been answered and disclosed to him that the most important time was when the king wanted to help the saint. The most important work was digging, and the most important person was the saint. The saint gave him another example that the most important time was the time when he helped the bearded man. The most important work was the dressing of the wounds of the bearded man, and the most important person was the bearded man because the king got a sincere and loyal servant instead of an enemy. Moral of the lesson. The moral of the lesson is the most important time for doing anything is the present. The most important work is what we are doing now, and the most important person is the one whom we are with at the moment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.